In this lesson, we will learn how to make a product configurator for Odoo e-commerce. First, let's take a look at a demonstration of the product configurator. For our example, we'll use a bicycle as our product. Here we have different options that we can configure. By default, this is black, but you can also have it in red or in white. As soon as you click on the color, the picture on the left changes. You also have a selection box for gears, like 1-speed or 5-speed. Of course, the picture changes as you select the different options. For example, the bicycle is not available in white with the 5-speed option. Additionally, there is an extra of $150 for the 5-speed option. As you can see, the price computes automatically when you make your selection. So you can configure your own product and have a preview on how it looks. For example, if you select the white option, you will not be able to choose it as it does not come with the 5-speed option. You can also have a drop-down for your selection. In our case, we have it for the saddle. You can choose it regular or leather. After you add the product to the shopping cart, you have extra options, which are not mandatory. In our case, there is a choice for a warranty, a 1-year warranty or a 2-year warranty. According to the choice, the price will change. Another choice we have here is for extra grips, retro or cork. So here you have a full configuration of a product with a few options and variants. Next, let's look at a product structure concept. In Odoo, there are 3 concepts in order to achieve this product configurator. One is the variants, which are dependent on the different combinations. This means that a product like a bike can have different variants. In our example, we have 2 variants, the 3 colors and 2 gears. The 3x2 variants means that we have the possibility of 6 products. The 1-speed bicycle in white, in red, or in black. Then we have the 5-speed bicycle in white, red, or black. The second concept is the attributes. In our example, the saddle is an attribute. These are options which belong to the same product but do not create product. In the case of variants, in our inventory, you really have 6 different products. But the saddle is an option which does not impact a product database. So you still have 6 products with 2 possible saddles. Third concept is the options. In Odoo, the options are extra products that a customer can add to the cart if they buy your main product. In our example, we have 2 options, the warranty with 2 variants and the extra grips, which also have the 2 variants. Let's have a look on how we configure this in Odoo. To do that, we need to access the back end. The first thing we need to do is to activate the variants on our product form. So, access your sales application in configuration and settings. Make sure you select products can have several attributes defining variants. To finish, click apply. As a result, when you will go on your product form, you will be able to configure variants. Let's go to a product form and create a new product. We will create a new product for another bicycle. We will write the name at the sales price. In the Variants tab, you can add your variants. We will add the color and its attributes, like white and red. You can also create a new one on the fly. We will create green. We add an attribute like the saddle with the possibility for regular and leather. We can easily create a new one. In our case, we create size with the option for medium and large. Let's configure the size attribute. On the pop-up, the most important item is to select Create a Variant. If you check this box, every size will have a different variant. So you will have 3 colors, 2 saddles, and 2 sizes. In total, this means that you will have 12 different products in your inventory. But you can also just have the size as an option and not store it differently in your inventory. So if you uncheck Create Variant, you will only have 6 products in your inventory. Also, you can choose the format this variant will appear in. It can appear as a radio button, selection box, or color box. If you select color box, you have to input a HTML color index. For example, this is red and this is blue. but we will use a radio button in our case and choose not to create it as a variant. To finish, click Save. This product will only have 3 different products directly related to the colors we have input. Additionally, we will have 2 different variants as we choose to also not have the saddle as a product. As soon as we click Save, we can see that we have 3 different products, which are the color variants, the white, the red, and the green. On each variant, you can set a photo. So let's set a photo for each of the colors we have chosen. One photo for the white bicycle, one for the red one, and one for the green one. As a result, when the customer will select the color, the photo will change according to the color he selected. On the product form, you can see that we have 3 different products that are stored individually in your inventory. So you have the inventory per product, but you also have the different attributes. Let's see how it looks on the website. Here we have the product we've just created with the 3 different colors along with the 2 different sizes and the 2 different saddle types. Here we can see that when we click on the different colors, the picture also changes. So now we have a product configured with mandatory options. Next, let's look at how we can add an extra to the price according to the different options available. For example, we want to add an extra for the red bicycle. To be able to do that, click Edit and access the attribute. Next, click on Variant Price. Then, on the line corresponding to red, you add an attribute price extra, for example, $10 more. Back on the website, you can see that when we select the bicycle in red, it's $10 more expensive. Now when we click Add to Cart, it simply adds to cart. If we want to add some extra options after the product has been added to the cart, you must activate the optional products. To do that, we must access the back end and install the module E-commerce Optional Products. As soon as this is done, we can go on the product form. In the Sales tab, in the optional products, we will add a warranty and click Save. The warranty is also a product that has 2 variants. Now, if we access the warranty, we will see that it has a 1-year and a 2-year variant. Returning to the bicycle web page and we add it to the cart, we can see that we have a warranty option before we check out. Now you know how to create a product configured with mandatory variants, mandatory attributes, and optional products like the warranty. As soon as you click Proceed to Checkout, in your cart you have a summary of the products you have bought, including the options you selected. This concludes our lesson. Thank you for listening.